Hey everyone, and welcome to Rapid Mining. Well, my other PDU cables came in so I could plug in my 5700 rig there. As you can see, it's already plugged in and running on my PDU. But I thought we'd just go through the PDU right quick. Short little video here, most likely. But you can see we got a cable here, C13 to C14, 100 to 250 volt. So the PDU is 30 amp, 240 volt. And a little bit about PDUs. As you can see there, those are C13 plugs, which is the same you would find on your power supply units there. So you need that's C13, and you need the C14, which is right there, to plug into it. These also act as extension cables for these plugs here, so they can plug into each other. Now when shopping for a PDU, you gotta know what power supplies you're all running. Like I said, so these are C13. You'll need a C13 to C14 plug, and these are for power supplies that are under 1500 watts. Now if your power supply, I believe, is 1500 or over, you will need the C19 plugs. So as you see, this PDU has both. So some don't just have one or the other, and some are mixed. This one does have both, just in case you need it. So that's C19, and for that you'll need C19 to C20 plugs, and that's for 1500 watts or over on the power supplies, just so you know. Now this is 30 amp, 240 volt. This one is non-metered. You want to make sure you keep everything metered. I got non-metered because I did put in my own Space Goats meter I made for an extra 40 bucks. So for $240 I got a metered PDU pretty much. I built that in, wired in the 240 myself and everything, so that saved a bunch of money. For a metered PDU, it was actually like $600, so saved quite a bit doing it that way. Now on top of it, 30 amp 240 volt is rated for 7200 watts. That's max. You never go to max on anything. You always want 80%. So 80% of that is 5760, so 5760 watts is what the kind of load this can take. If you get a little closer here, you can see each one of these C13s are on their own little breaker deal. They're 6 amps each. And as you can see, I got 5 PSUs going here. There's the 570, 580 rig. And I got this one plugged in there as well. We'll do a quick look, see what our actual amps and everything are. So we're only running 6.5 amps, and it's already split into 2 different bags, so we're more than safe there. Another thing is, for a project, I got 2 B250 mining experts. Now 8 of these cards are 4 gig, so in a future video here, I think I might take all 8 of those cards, put them all together so that when the DAG file and Ethereum hits, I'll just swap them over to ETC and they will all be together, as well as the 8 gigs. I might just throw them all into this rig with my 5700 XT, unless of course, I don't know, I get more 5700s at a good price. If you saw the video, I only paid $400 Canadian for that brand new in a sealed box, so that's pretty sweet. Yeah, this is just a fairly quick video. I wanted to show you the quick things about a PDU and the cables you should get, and make sure they're all rated for what they are and don't overpower anything. Thanks for watching, and wrap it out.